it is. So we have a neighbor trying to like spy on us. Stays in the stupid little garage, acts like he's looking up his hood, and punches a wall every fucking day and shit. Maybe like a little bit too loud shit. No, I don't want to shit, but all these bitches are fucking doing some little murder shit. You kill your dog, kill your mom, kill your cat. High level play. They probably don't want me at the fucking courthouse trying to tell them they killed my mom, killed my cat, killed my dog. You went too fucking far and shit. As long as they why I think they be fucking trying to say, oh, I can come back to what's mine already and shit. It's fucking stupid as fuck. Not like how many fucking Hollywood bitches, in my opinion, I don't call them Hollywood bitches yet. How many other bitches actually thought that I didn't live in a 5-bedroom house because you fucking try so hard spreading bad rumors about me and shit. Like fucked up my fucking career. You have to record shit. So obviously all these bitches are in some pretty stupid little nasty shit. Monkeys just getting out of their wives like butthole to fucking slam a door and shit. She wants to be on it. I don't know where you at. I don't know what you look like and shit. We're never in their way. They're fucking in my way. And we don't get to be able to put them on camera and shit. There's some bitch behind us. You guys want to see the bitch? In my way. You in my way. Off my dick and shit. Y'all bitches are full of shit. You in my way, bitch. You ain't fucking getting nowhere at the same time as me. Y'all bitches are the devil. You bitches are the devil. You ain't fucking getting nowhere near me at the same time. Well, fuck yourself. You farting, coughing like a fucking devil whisperer, and you on camera coughing and farting like a devil whisperer, more like it. Nobody's in your little stupid ass way though when this is America. Do shit for protection and shit. Fucking liars all day. You tired of liars and shit. Shit. Vandalism and shit. Oh fuck it. But after dog day, got some nasty rust going on and shit. I thought I should kill the dog and put it in front of the house. I think this is mad sketchy. I think some little monkey is gonna come back and try to pull that up on your ass later and try to say it's illegal. I'm gonna say it's stupid. I'm gonna say it's stupid, not my idea. But I try to say it. It's like a rerun. They try to let when Stan Lee was alive and everything. This whole some car was filled with mass spiders or whatever. This was allowing me to stand some nasty ass spider trying to like do some ritual and crap, just kill Stan Lee. But no, they said you can stay in this like probably stolen car.